As your enterprise embraces a multi-cloud strategy, you need an availability solution that protects your cloud-based data and maximizes your investments in cloud computing. Veeam helps you protect data within any cloud, across any availability zone, for a level of mobility that ensures applications and data remain always on, regardless of their location. Veeam aligns with top cloud providers, enabling you to find the right cloud for your needs. Move data across Microsoft Azure availability zones. Protect Amazon EC2 instances by backing up to Amazon S3. Leverage any of IBM Cloud's 55+ data centers around the world. Find services and expertise from one of Veeam's managed cloud provider partners. The possibilities are endless. Veeam's flexible solutions meet the needs of the multi-cloud enterprise, protecting any app, any data, across any cloud. Get the latest solutions and information on best practices at veeam.com.